Hello everybody, this is an update on the orchid grow area in my living room. This is a new hyacinth we just got. It smells amazing. It's already falling over. The last one we had was purple and it lasted almost a month, which is a long time. See, it's got some nice leaves too. Very plain. Here's a nice big old tulip. It's got a lot of flowers. Pollinated it yesterday. See if it'll make seeds. More flowers. This one has a mutated petal. Over here. And this one you can see a strange mutation. There's a bit of red here and a line of purple and red. Very cool. And this big old tulip. Over here is a Tillandsia pink quill. And a Gasteria, I think falcata or something like that. And here is a bunch of newly purchased succulents. Astrophytum, Gymnocalycium, Aloenopsis here. I don't know what that one is. Another Aloenopsis. And here's a Fenestraria. I don't know what species. Over here is a bromeliad I got from Bill of Plants and Things, is his channel. Plants and Things. Yeah, it was a good trade. Gave him a Pinguicula for it. Pinguicula gigantea. And it's making a new pup. I'm excited. Over here we've got Utricularia with the Drosera. The Utricularia is in the pool. Over here, oh, that window is really bright. Over in the back there, over there, is a Nepenthes ventrata. See how long it is? Whoa, all the way over here. And it goes up onto the second level. Here we've got a Bulbophyllum, a Paphiopedilum, two succulent form Pinguicula morinensis, another succulent form Pinguicula morinensis. This is what I mentioned in a few other videos. When they go dry, they turn into a succulent, and it's growing with some succulents as well. Over here is another example. Two paths over here. Over here, this is a newly purchased cactus from a nearby nursery called Belgian Nursery. Oh, this next one is a bit sad. This is my dying helium minor. See, I put it in a place that was too hot, even though I kept it well watered and humid. It doesn't like the heat. It could grow back though, it's got 2 growths left. So I have to try and pamper it, but it might die. And inside there is a Pinguicula, which is completely unaffected by the heat. So luckily I divided that helium and I still have a cutting of it growing in my terrarium. Over here is a Phyis tankervillia, I think. Yep, Phyis tankervillia. It's that big orchid that has the purple and white flowers. Sometimes they sell it around Easter in Ontario, I believe. This inside of here is a bunch of cactus seeds that we recently found on a cactus plant. and nothing really to see. They haven't sprouted. Over here is a African orchid, I believe. This one here, Geodorum attenuatum. See the leaf? It's like a bulb almost. Well, it is a bulb. It's got a bulb. Aloe, aloe vera, common one. The Gasteria, Paphiopedilum, Angraecum, and then an aloe, Gasteria back down there. What's this? Some kind of cactus, and some other cactus, cacti, whatever. This last row here, it's all the mini orchids, a little Angraecum. I think this one is called Didieri. Let me turn it around. Nope. Angraecum distichum. And down here you can see this one. I don't have to move it. That's actually Barbosella. Well, you can read it there. Cog something. Over here is a Trias. And next to the Trias is a small Bulbophyllum with profuse flowers. They're just too small for the camera to see. And here's a recovering Bulbophyllum. You can see some damage on the leaf. Here's a freshly repotted Paphiopedilum, looking very good. This is actually Paphiopedilum rothschildianum, the evil orchid. And back here is some hybrid Paph. It's very nice. And we do have some hanging plants, Cattleya, some weird hybrid. And over there is a Angraecum. Oh, wait, no, Arides. This one's an Arides. Over here is Bulbophyllum falcatum, right, the one that's hanging there. Right. Here's a Paph, Polystachia. Another Paph. I think this one's Phalaenopsis, my favorite species. Laelia Cattleya. Potinara here. Laelia Cattleya. Nucinetia falcata. Aloe. Gasteria. This is a Bulbophyllum with a really long, bright red, almost pink flower that stinks. Very big leaves. This is Tillandsia xerographica, I believe. Almost extinct in the wild. That's why I felt compelled to keep the species alive, I guess. Some more Paphs here. These are in need of a repot. Another Phalaenopsis there. This is a nice one, Paphiopedilum. Looks like camo. Pretty cool. And another Paph. Another Paph over here. More Paphs, more Paphs. Another Gasteria. Another Paph. Another Paph. This Paph here is a sequential bloomer. It's very nice. Primulinum, Paph primulinum. And then this one back here is one of my other favorite Paphs. The Paphiopedilum delineatii. It's pretty hard to kill. It likes acidic soil, I've heard, and apparently the flower can smell like raspberries. So over here is another bulba that was before, it was the one over on the right. Red flowers that stink. Here's my first Paphiopedilum. Looking pretty good. Putting up new growths right now. The new growth. It's flowered reliably the last 3 years. This is a Cryptanthus. I think it's called zebra or something like that. It's a very nice plant. It doesn't need much water or light, but it can handle a lot of light, a lot of water, or a little bit of light and a little bit of water. So, it's a good plant. And here's a cycad. I think Cycads revoluta. And a dormant cycad that could grow back, and aloe. This is a Benjamin Ficus, or whatever they're called. Ficus benjamina, variegated form, with some little seedling oranges. And on this side is some plants that have a bit of disease. Keep them away from the others. They're recovering. The Bulbophyllum, Paphiopedilum, Vresia. I don't know what this tree is, but it's still alive. It just lost all its leaves. It's still green. The Neoregelia. Aloe. This is my black orchid. I have to repot it. Once the black orchid gets like this, you need to repot it. Paphiopedilum, one of my other favorites. Sleeping Succulents orchid there, and a Paph. This is a, I don't even know what this tree is, but it's nice. It's in the pea family. Oh, back there's a snake plant. Over here is a freshly saved Walmart Ficus, because I can't find these anywhere under $80, and Walmart had them for $12, so I'm not going to pass that up. That's an insane deal. Over here was, what is this? Opuntia micro daisies. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Here's the, what is this? Ponytail palm. This is a recent purchase. This Ficus I got last year, but the same place that sold them didn't have this variety with the big chunk and the see-through. Over here is two Phalaenopsis that were saved from the summertime. They were outside and we forgot they were there, but they came back. And nice big old cycad, really big old leaves. Ow, that's sharp.